Okay, so this is my first attempt in removing steering wheel through this. So the first one was a little big, this is a little smaller. Okay, so I got that side first. If you have experience with removing another wheels, you'll know. Now that's a little trickier because this is on the way, so you need to turn it a little bit if you leave it centered. And now it's out. Now we need to remove the airbag. Another tricky part, you need to lift both orange handles at the same time. Let me see if I can. Now that's out. I believe we need to disconnect this, probably this one, maybe not, and that's it. Now okay, that was very tight. I mean, it's still tight and I'm maybe halfway out. Whew. Probably have some kind of glue. Honestly, you just need to be careful not to move a lot. Steering wheel, just grab it with your, maybe with your legs, and hold the steering wheel. Now before you take it out, take your marker, that's it, don't move it, just leave it like that. See if we can install this. I bought them on eBay. They'll fit or not. They came with carbon fiber, nice. So it's my first time, so typically you want to start in the back, removing this. Okay, so 7 bolts out. I think we need to remove also these 3, so we can remove those underneath. When you put them back, you need to leave a little space. This is where the horn, works, how it works. You need to leave a little play so it can work. Just need to pull on the. Now you have to pull a little bit. There. Now it's off. This just pops out like pop, like pressure. There's two more connections, the rumble thing and the heating steering wheel down there. So I took this out so I don't have to disconnect this thing. At this point, honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to remove that. So, well, you just pop it outside like this. Now the tricky part. So this doesn't fit, you know. Anyway, nice try.